Hey everybody, what's up? This is Z-Dog. May I ask you to like and subscribe before we get started? This is something that I must share with you. So first of all, we're going to turn down the volume. Here we go. All right, so what I want to do is I want to take you in to the market. Now, most of you don't know this yet. But this is something that's really, really cool that you absolutely need for your park. So we're going to go over here to where it says buildings. Now I want you to read this. Read what these three things right here say. What does those say? These are generators, right? Well, I've already got a star generator. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a snow generator. We'll start off with this. And we're going to go down here. I want you to see this. This is actually really, really cool. So what we need to do is find out where exactly that is going to work out the best. So we're going to move this over here. Let's go back up there and get that star generator. Because we didn't do it. That was not the star generator. That was the rain generator. I mean the snow generator. This is what I want. Yeah. Okay, so what I want to do is put that right there inside of this little square right here. Put it right there, man. All right, look how it's snowing over the island. Isn't that really cool? This is just amazing. I'm so glad that they actually came out with this. It just makes it look more authentic for that island. Now, you can get as many of these as you want. And look, I got another cold island right here that would work well in. The cold islands. These are themes for these islands. Now, let's go over here to the water. This is the one that's going to be interesting. So let's go back into the market. Now, I know I don't need to be spending on my gems, but let's get the rain generator. Okay, now we need to put that somewhere and figure out it needs to be more in the middle. If you didn't notice that, it keeps disappearing on me, to be honest with you. It covers the whole island. It really needs to be like right smack dab, almost in the middle. Almost in the middle. And it really doesn't have a lot of chance to do that because got so much stuff in there. So let's move it over some. I might have to actually move something out of the way. Let's go ahead and put it right there for right now. It is raining. You can see that it's got some drizzles. So let's move this out of the way for a minute. Let's go ahead and put it right there. We can fix this up here just a second. Move that out of the way. I need to put this more in the middle. All right, so there's something I need to move. I think it's this lamp, the tiki lamp. All right, so let's go get that island and slide it in there, man. Boom! And it worked out just fine. It really, really did. Now, that's actually really, really cool. So these generators are just generating rain. The islands need it, man. It just looks really cool. Now, there are others. I have enough for one more, and this is the one that is going to go on. This is the air habitat that I have. So what I want is to get the air. This is a leaf generator. Huh. That's it. Let's just take a look at that. Yeah, leaves all over it. I don't know. I don't really see any leaves other than... I mean, it looks neat. But that don't look like leaves to me. Well, I see some leaves in there now, but they don't really... There they are. There's the leaves. That sort of makes sense, right? Yeah, isn't that cool, though? Look, it even got lightning bolt in that. It went right through it. All right, so let's go into the market real quick and see if they actually have other generators, because they do not. They do not have other generators for this yet, so that is disappointing. But that's okay, guys. But I do need a Monolith boost. Now, I'm trying to remember. My Monolith is... I think it's here. I could be wrong, but I need to look. I need to find out if I'm right or wrong here. That's a Monolith. Is that the only Monolith that I have, though? That's the question. Okay, so that seems to be... the only Monolith habitat that I got. If it is, then that is just fine. Now, look at that. In this season, this is something new too, because this hasn't happened yet. This is something new. This theme for this island, this is the harvest theme. So now the leaves are falling off of the trees because it's towards the end of the season. That's really cool, man. You know, I believe that they have really outdone themselves with designing this, and it's really, really cool. It really, really is cool. I want to just keep on checking to make sure I don't have any other monolithic stuff. I believe all of my monolithic creatures are right here on this island. So what I'm going to have to do is I have to go back all the way over here again. All the way over here. Come here. And get the monolith booster. Take it all the way up here. Over, down, over, down, over. Right there. We can put it right there. As long as it's on the island, it causes those dragons to produce money at a quicker speed. So they say. But look at that. Look at the snow just a coming down. And look at them little flakes, man. Ain't they cool? Look at those snowflakes. And them dragons needed this snow. That's what they needed, right? All right, guys. Check that out. That is just so freaking cool, man. Let's go up here to the water one. And it's still raining. Still raining at this one. That is just so cool, man. They really are outdoing themselves. Yeah, look at that. Okay, now back up here to this one. It's generating the leaves and everything so that you can see the leaves. And just imagine those dragons in there. They're just playing in the leaves. It's pretty cool. Pretty neat. Now, you could take this as well. You can move it and probably stick it over here. Stick it down here. I need to collect that guy right there, though. And just move them around wherever it's fall time that you got fall timey stuff, and just put them at different spots. But it's really really neat. I hope they come out with all of the elements. I hope they come out with the light. I hope they come out with one for lightning, one for sun. Uh, the spooky. I think that would be all right. Something that I did want to do, guys, and I really do need to do it because I haven't done it yet, is I want to go in here real quick. I want to do this. And I want to do this. I want to do that. That's what I want. Bam. 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 I can't believe that I hadn't done this sooner. I really am surprised that I hadn't done it sooner. I only need one of those, right? You're wrong. You are wrong. I need another one because I have another island. There we go. All right, so this is Z-Dog, everybody. Please like and subscribe. We will try to get out new content that people aren't seeing whenever they're playing the game. This game is actually made for everybody, so please like and subscribe. Invite your friends, family, and let's have some fun. This is Z-Dog. Until next time.